the size of the box kind of gives it away, but let's check it out. Ready? It's our radiator. More specifically, it is the Nemesis Black radiator, the 240 millimeter radiator. And the reason I chose this, it was a little bit more expensive than all the other radiators I saw on Amazon, but I just liked, to be honest, they got me with the name Nemesis for a radiator. That's pretty sick, and I like the design on it. And here you guys go. You guys can see what it looks like. As you can see through the fins right over there. It's pretty thin. But I just like the build quality is really nice. It's got a kind of some heftiness to it as well. And I was really looking for something that didn't have, as you can, like some of the cheaper radiators already have some of the ports that are sticking out, and they're a little bit smaller. They're made for soft tubing, I believe. This one has the G1/4 threads that you can thread into it. So this is what I was really looking for. Now let's go through the whole box, see what. Oh, they gave us some screws. Perfect. That's perfect. These are for your fans that you attach on there, and we'll be putting these RGB fans on here, so it's gonna look really nice on this nice black radiator. So it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, let's keep going. I'm excited for this. Excited for this build. Let's see where this goes. I have a hard time. Opening boxes is the easy part. Putting stuff into boxes, yeah, that's where I struggle, because I always just rush through it, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's see what else came through. Okay. I ordered some RGB fans. Check it out. GM RGB case fans. So I think there's 3 in here. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm not going to open up the CPU just yet. You know, there's no really use for opening this up, but I will open up the fans. So you guys will see what's in here. Okay, so RGB fans comes with a remote controller. Let's check it out. Right here in the plastic bag. Get it out. It has all these type of buttons on there. As you can see, you can choose different colors on it. That's really cool. Yeah, there's an auto functionality. You can increase brightness and turn it on and off. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright, and then we got this thingy. It's the controller. So it says double ring RGB Ice Storm. Gaming PC cooling. I think it's the lighting cooler. I mean the lighting controller, my bad. Yeah, you just plug in all of the fans right into these headers right over here, and this gets plugged into your power supply right over here. I forget the names for this actually. I gotta look it up. If you guys know the names for this type of connector, I gotta look it up. But just put it in the comments below. Cool. Alright. Got a little manual right here. It shows you how to put it into the case, where to put the controller and how to wire everything up. And these are the fans. Oh, that looks pretty cool. That's pretty awesome actually. Check it out. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I think the LEDs run right along all this white surface right over here. I don't think in between the fan blades. I don't know if you guys can see, but in between right over there, there's the LED lights. So in this box I got 3 of them. It was more than enough for the build that we're doing. Sorry, more than enough for just we're going to be putting on the radiator. And we're also going to be putting it on another case fan, on the side case fan. So you guys will check it out. It comes with a whole bunch of screws, 3 sets of screws for each of the fans. So that's pretty cool. All right, awesome.